everyone, please welcome to my channel. I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. It's a year model 2008. How to install the grill. I already posted a video for my other HUMMER, so please check it out. Only one thing I wanted to share with you. If your HUMMER never had the grill before, then you need to do a modification. That I wanted to share with you. This is the front plastic grill, which we took it out from here in order to place our grill. If your HUMMER never had the grill before, just like mine, this need to be modified. As you see, this is the one is problematic. So we need to cut like this. So that's the modification we need to do. We're going to cut this much so that it will fit nicely. Any tools, whatever do you have? Then we'll cut it on this side. Like this. I'll do the same thing on this side. We just need little DIY work. Once it's cut like this, now we can make it fit. This is the modification we need. This is the piece was going to hit right here. So it's not going to let you close in. So once we take it out, now, and it will be perfectly fit. And that's it. The grill looks better. So I hope this is going to help you out in your DIY project. For more HUMMER videos, please visit my channel and please subscribe. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.